Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at Sally Hansen's Miracle Nails Nail Growth Treatment, a product designed to help you achieve longer, stronger nails. Whether you're battling brittle nails or just looking for a boost in nail growth, this treatment promises to deliver professional strength results in a short amount of time. Sally Hansen's Miracle Nails Nail Growth Treatment comes in a convenient 0.44 phthalates bottle, and it's marketed as a nail treatment that not only promotes growth, but also protects nails from splitting, cracking, and tearing. It claims to be a solution for those of us struggling with slow-growing, fragile nails, helping to strengthen them while encouraging faster growth. In terms of ingredients, this treatment is formulated to nourish the nail bed and reinforce nails without causing brittleness, which is a common issue with many growth treatments. Its lightweight consistency is easy to apply, and the formula quickly dries without leaving a sticky residue. The product is simple to incorporate into your routine. Just apply it directly to your nails and cuticles and let it work its magic. When I tested this product, I was pleasantly surprised by how well it blended into my routine. I applied it in the morning before my daily activities and before bed, and it dried quickly, allowing me to continue with my day. Over the course of a few weeks, I noticed some improvement in the strength and appearance of my nails. They felt less prone to splitting, and there was a visible increase in growth. I didn't experience any irritation or adverse reactions, which is always a relief when it comes to nail care. However, it's not without its challenges. The bottle size, while adequate, may not last long for those who prefer to use it more frequently, especially since it's recommended to use it regularly for the best results. While it's definitely effective in strengthening nails and promoting growth, it can be a bit tricky for those with busy schedules to stay on top of consistent application. So if you're not the type to commit to a daily treatment, this might feel like a hassle. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Sally Hansen's Miracle Nails Nail Growth Treatment definitely delivers on its promise to strengthen nails and prevent splitting. It's easy to apply, dries quickly, and doesn't leave a sticky or greasy residue, which is a big win for anyone who's short on time. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward nail treatment that gets results, this is a solid option. On the downside, the price point could be a little high for some, especially since the bottle is on the smaller side. If you're looking for something that will last longer with a more generous size, this may not be the best choice. Additionally, those with very sensitive nails or skin might want a patch test before using it regularly, though I personally didn't experience any irritation. Now, in terms of value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The treatment does exactly what it promises, but whether the results justify the price depends on your personal priorities. If you're someone who's serious about nail care and growth, then it's likely worth the investment. But if you're just looking for a quick fix or something that will last longer, there are cheaper alternatives on the market. Speaking of alternatives, if you're willing to explore other options, you might find that some drugstore brands offer similar nail treatments at a lower price point. While they may not have the same level of strength as Sally Hansen's Miracle Nails, they can still provide some benefits when it comes to promoting growth and protecting nails from damage. It all comes down to what you're willing to invest in your nail care routine. In terms of build quality, Sally Hansen has a reputation for creating products that are easy to use and durable. The bottle is sturdy, and the brush applies the product smoothly, though the small size can be a bit frustrating if you need to reapply multiple times a day. Ultimately, if you're someone who struggles with brittle nails and is looking for a treatment that can help promote faster growth while protecting your nails, Sally Hansen Miracle Nails Nail Growth Treatment could be a good fit for you. It's effective, but you'll need to be consistent with your application for the best results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with this product in the comments below. If you've used Sally Hansen Miracle Nails Nail Growth Treatment, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.